So here's a quick hack. If you happen to have a Dakota Sport with the quad cab and your window regulator, which is made with crappy steel cables and plastic spools, happens to break on you going down the road for the 4th time, or any other vehicle that uses that same similar design, here's a way to keep your window up and not get the rain and everything in while you're waiting on USPS to run your new parts 5 times around the region. Grab you some suction cups. Now these are from the kits you get at Walmart, the windshield chip repair kits. Grab you these suction cups, push the glass up as hard as you can, stick them dudes to it. It's over 100 degrees in this vehicle and they are still stuck up there. So this is what I'm doing until I can actually get the better style window regulators that have the actual metal arms and everything that the 2 doors in the extended cab chassis use. Then we'll have a video on that, how I'm going to Frankenstein those into this vehicle, because 4 times is too many. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out that video when it posts.